Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Friday morning, and I have a lot to do today because we have a live at 5 and we're doing smash burgers on the Blackstone. So I got a lot of things that I need to do to prepare for that. I did shoot a video the day before yesterday. It was called No Chilies Today, I think is what the name of it was. And I went to get some uh, green chilies. I was unsuccessful in finding what I wanted. Uh, the the uh, people at the grocery store were extremely helpful and accommodating, and it's not their fault. It's just, it is what it is, right? So you probably saw in the video when I was talking to Cullen, I asked him, we were looking for the origin uh, on the box, the origin of where the chilies were actually grown. And I know a lot of you were probably banging on your screens on your phones or your laptop or your tablet or your PC, yelling at me, "Hey, old dude, it's like right there on the box, right in front of your face." And I saw grown in Hatch, New Mexico. I saw that. That's not what I was looking for. And so I'm going to show you what I was looking for. I have a couple of boxes from last year, so I'm going to show you those. And to me, there's two counties that incorporate the Hatch Valley, and that's where the Hatch green chilies come from. So let me show you what I was looking for and what you should be looking for when you buy green chilies too. So, okay, I got two boxes here left over from last year. So I ordered this box here. These were medium chilies that I ordered out of Hatch, New Mexico, and they weren't quite as warm as I wanted them to be. I thought a medium, they were more mild and than a medium. And it's hard to get. They're marked a medium here. It's hard to get a medium. It's just hard. That's a hard range in there. There's a big gap in between those. So I went to HEB last year, the same one I went to over there, and George got me these Young Guns, and they were hot, and they were hot. So let me show you what I was looking for. So if I turn this box around here, so fresh green chili, Young Guns, Hatch Chili Factory, Hatch, New Mexico, all of this stuff. Is cool, and that could be on a lot of different boxes, but there's some extra things that are on these boxes. Certified New Mexico True, that is a certification organization. New Mexico Growing with Tradition, and the other thing that tells me that it's grown in the Hatch Valley is the county of origin, USA, is Donna Ana and Luna County, New Mexico. So that tells me that these chilies are from the Hatch Valley. They're telling you right there that's where they came from. That's what you need to be looking for. The other thing is on the end of this, there is, and you'll see this at a lot of restaurants, there's a Hatch Chili Association certification, and they get certified. There'll be a lot of restaurants in New Mexico you'll see that on. And then this one also says it's a product of Donna Ana County, New Mexico. So that's what you're looking for when you buy chilies. And that's going to tell you from the outside looking in that those two boxes actually came from the Hatch Valley where you want it, that you're paying for. So that's what I was looking for, and I couldn't see it. I didn't have my glasses. Maybe it was smaller or something. I have no doubt that those green chilies that were at the HEB store are from Hatch, New Mexico. I think they're from the Hatch, from the Young Guns facility, actually, from looking at that sticker. But I have no way of knowing that for sure. It is. So that's what I was looking for. Just wanted to share that with you. I got to get ready for tonight's Friday Night Live. We've got a big one going on. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button if you would. You can comment, you can share, you can subscribe right there. Yep, you sure can. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching the channel. I really do. And we'll see you on the next one, all right? See ya.